I so look forward to the day when I neither say nor hear the words COVID-19. I think there may actually be light beginning to illuminate the end of this long, long tunnel. But it's becoming increasingly clear to me that we still have some hard work ahead of us before we reach the end of this journey. I'm reaching out to you today to encourage you to keep your foot on the gas, especially as we approach this holiday season. Oh my goodness. We all want this to end. We all are tired. We all want to get back to life as we knew it. But I worry that if we let down our guard now, the consequences and the ramifications for family members and friends and for our community at large could actually be severe. This past Tuesday, on November 17th, Tarrant County issued a public health warning because, as our public health director, Vinny Taneja, noted, all of our COVID-19 metrics in the county were dire. Specifically, as of Tuesday, 92% of our ICU beds were full, leaving only 36 available to serve a county population which is approximately 2 million people. Also, as of Tuesday, 20% of our total hospital beds were occupied by COVID patients, and our positivity rate had reached 16%. Which of course means that 1 out of every 6 people who were testing for the virus were testing positive. In the past, when we've experienced some of these spikes in COVID, it's been attributable to some obvious things. Either it's been a holiday, or it's a particular place, or a particular event. But that's not the case anymore. This is general community spread, and we're finding it in smaller and smaller venues, and finding it a lot among people who, for whatever reason, are choosing not to follow the established protocols. Our experience with COVID-19 to date has shown us that we can manage these metrics. It is within our control, but it does require a bit of personal sacrifice, no doubt about it. The sacrifice that we're being asked to make now is to limit our Thanksgiving celebrations to immediate family members only, especially in those instances where families have members who are vulnerable or otherwise compromised, which makes them more at risk, of course, to acquire COVID-19. The irony of this is not lost on me. Here we are about to celebrate Thanksgiving, the day where we focus on sharing the most. You know, sharing great food at a crowded dinner table in a house full to capacity. All things that at the moment are spreading this virus. So I would ask you to consider doing what my husband Doug Wheat advises. Just make the most correctable mistake and limit your festivities just as much as you can this Thanksgiving. And of course, if you're out and about, don't forget to mask up and to keep your distance and wash your hands just as often as you can. By working together and doing these simple things, we might actually be able to give our family and friends the gift of health this holiday season. I can't imagine anything that would be more treasured than that. Happy Thanksgiving to you and yours.